Hey Divi Nation, and welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away 2 free Divi Layout Packs straight from our design team to you. And for this week, we have for you a beautiful church layout pack. You can be sure to give churches the online presence they deserve with this new layout pack. The design elements are subtle, elegant, and warming to visitors so as not to distract from the important information throughout. And the page layouts are catered toward the needs of any church looking to minister to members and connect with new visitors. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this layout pack on your own website. Before you can start adding pre-made layouts using the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. To do that, you need to go over to Divi, Theme Options. There you're going to click on the Updates tab and then enter your username and API key that came with your Elegant Themes subscription. Then click Save Changes. Now you should have access to the pre-made layouts without any problem. Next, you're going to want to start the process of creating a new page and then importing the pre-made layout to the page. To do that, you need to go to Pages, Add New, give your page a name, and then deploy the Visual Builder. Click Choose a pre-made layout from the selection, and then from the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll down till you find the new church layout pack. Select it. You'll see a preview of all the pages included in the pack over here on the right. Simply click on the one that you want. You can preview it over here on the left. When you're ready, click the button that says Use this layout. Once your layout has been loaded onto the page, don't forget to publish it. And then you'll continue this process to create all of the pages with their corresponding layouts. After that, you're ready to create a new primary menu for your website. To do that, you need to go over to your WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your menu a name, and then click Create Menu. Then over here on the left, you're going to select all of the pages that you created, and then add them to your menu. And then you can order the menu structure however you like. When you're ready, don't forget to select your display location as primary menu, and then click Save Menu. And one last step is to go ahead and add a new static home page for your website. To do that, you need to go over to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then for the home page option, select the home page that you created with the new home page layout. After that, click Save Changes. Now your website is up and running with the new church layout pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future layout packs we'll be throwing your way. And check out our next one, which should be released on Friday. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.